I provide a range of services, and I'd call them more services than products. So, for example, training, capacity building, coaching and mentoring, and analytical services. So maybe let's focus on a couple of those. So training tends to be around two areas. So firstly, around regulation. So whether that's sort of a particular new law or rule that people want to introduce, or whether that's they want to either introduce or improve their analytical capacity across government. And then the second area is around personal development and enhancement. So I train people on Chartered Management Institute level 5 and level 7 courses. So those are broadly equivalent to degree and postgraduate courses, how to become a coach and how to become a better manager and leader. So that's my focus around training.